How to enable auto dubbing on your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on auto dubbing for your YouTube channel so that your videos are automatically auto dubbed into 12 different languages. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is simply go to studio.youtube.com and log into your channel. Then go down in the bottom left and select settings. Once in the settings, select upload defaults and then select advanced settings in the top menu. Scroll down a little bit until you see automatic dubbing. Once you get here, you can select the learn more link to learn more about it, but you basically just need to select allow automatic dubbing. After you have allow automatic dubbing, you'll have manually review dubs before publishing. And this can be useful, but it will stop them from automatically posting the dubs. So what I recommend doing is selecting review dubs in experimental languages only, so that when you upload and post a video to YouTube, it automatically adds the dubbed audio to your languages. So once you've done that, select save and then close. And then over here in the left menu, select languages, and you'll be able to see which videos have been dubbed by the ones that have extra languages. So if I select this video, you can see all the languages that have been uploaded and created here for auto dubbing. Additionally, we can also see some of the experimental languages, such as Korean here, or Dutch, where I can select it to listen to it.
영어, 블루투스 헤드폰을 가민 사일류엔
And if I approve of it, I can select publish. And that's how you turn on or enable auto dubbing on your YouTube channel.